Have you noticed your legs swelling, your knees getting stiffer, and every step feeling heavier? You might think it's just a normal part of getting older, but what if I told you these signs are actually warning lights of a deeper crisis inside your body? Imagine waking up each morning, looking down, and seeing your legs swollen like cement blocks, aching with every move, and feeling powerless to stop it. What if I told you that, for most people over 50 shades, it's not just age, it's something nearly everyone overlooks. Research suggests that by your 60s, collagen in your body can drop by over 50%. That loss quietly sabotages your joints, blood vessels, and independence, sometimes making it nearly impossible to get out of a chair or take a brisk walk with your loved ones. In one study, seniors like you experienced such severe swelling it led to hospital visits, simply because their collagen was vanishing out from underneath them. That feeling of legs too heavy to lift, the worry of falling when simply stepping out of bed, or the heartbreak of having to miss family events. These pains are real for so many people over 50. Maybe you've tried creams, hot soaks, more pillows at night, but nothing seems to work. You're left wondering, is this just how life goes now? Or is there something you can do today to rebuild your strength and move freely again? Some researchers from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic have observed powerful connections between what you eat and how much collagen your body can actually keep and use. Could changing your diet be the answer? Let me share a story. Last month, my neighbor Susan, age 65, was struggling to get up her porch stairs. She always blamed just old knees, until one afternoon, her shoe slipped because her leg felt twice its normal size from swelling. That scare made her rethink everything. She asked, "How can food matter if I've been eating the wrong things for 50 years? After all, most people don't realize simple changes in what you eat can fuel your body to heal itself in truly amazing ways." Or take Jack, a gentle giant in our community who stopped playing with his grandkids because of stiff, aching hips. He thought it was pointless to try new foods, but what if he was missing something essential, something his body needed to rebuild? The very foundation of his joints. So, let me ask you, have you ever felt that deep, throbbing pressure in your legs after a long day? Or found yourself avoiding stairs you once took two at a time? Do you wonder if it's too late? Or if there's one change that could finally make a difference? Stay with me. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's dive in. I want to reveal the 8 most powerful collagen-rich foods that research suggests can help cut swelling, strengthen joints, and even rebuild cartilage. These aren't miracle powders or expensive supplements. These are simple, real foods, proven effective in studies with outcomes that seriously surprise even seasoned doctors. First, let's start at number 8. Egg whites. Egg whites might seem almost too basic, right? But they're actually one of the unsung heroes when it comes to supporting healthy collagen in your body. While egg whites don't have collagen directly, they're packed with proline, a vital amino acid your cells must have to manufacture new collagen. Picture collagen like braided ropes inside your joints, your skin, even those tiny blood vessels in your legs. If you don't have enough proline, those ropes fray and snap under pressure. Even a day of gardening or a leisurely walk can overwhelm them. In one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, boosting dietary proline increased the body's collagen making power by almost 30%. That means faster repair and stronger support in tissues that take a pounding every single day. Think of when you stand for hours at a family BBQ or walk the dog around the block. Your joints and vessels are under constant stress, and proline from egg whites helps patch up these tiny daily tears. But why does this matter for swelling? Here's what few people realize. Collagen isn't just about flexible skin or strong cartilage. Those tiny blood vessels, the ones that keep your circulation flowing, are lined with collagen, sealing them so fluid doesn't leak and pool in your legs. When collagen is low, those pipes get leaky. You feel it as the heavy, ballooning sensation in your calves, or deep aches around your ankles in the evening. Adding egg whites is easy. You can fold them into veggie omelets, blend them in smoothies with pasteurized egg whites, which means you're not cooking away delicate nutrients, or scramble them on gentle heat. high. Fast frying can toughen proteins and make them harder to absorb, so go easy. I remember an older client who always tossed away the yolks for cholesterol. Reasons: egg whites alone are still a super affordable, low-fat way to load up on collagen's true building blocks. Now, there's a twist. What if your body can't hold those new collagen ropes in place? Could something else help? Here's number 7, beans. People rarely think about beans as a collagen powerhouse. Yet, they pack something your body desperately needs: lysine. If proline is what lets you build the rope, lysine is the glue that binds it strong. Without enough lysine, even the best new collagen fibers unravel and say. Research in food science and nutrition journals showed that eating lysine-rich foods like beans improved collagen structure by at least 25%, providing true resilience for aging tissues. But beans offer a double benefit, lowering damaging inflammation, one of the major hidden drivers behind chronic swelling in seniors. In a clinical study, people who ate beans 4 times a week had C-reactive protein, a measure of inflammation, drop by nearly a quarter compared to those who rarely ate them. That's not just a small effect over time. That's less swelling, less damage, and more mobility. Just last week, a client told me, "I add beans to every soup. Now it's the only thing that keeps the swelling in my ankles down." To get the most from beans, soak them overnight and cook them slow. This makes key nutrients easier for your body to absorb. Try throwing beans into stews with olive oil and lemon juice. Olive oil helps your body take in nutrients, while vitamin C from lemon wakes up enzymes required for making collagen. Cold bean salads with citrus and parsley are another easy win. Rotate your beans for best results. Black beans give you antioxidants that guard against joint breakdown, and lentils supply iron to help oxygen reach swollen, tired muscles. So here's the micro hook. Could something as simple as adding beans to your meals really lead to less swelling in your legs? Now, let's move to number 6, chicken skin. Chicken skin has a bad nutritional reputation. For decades, it was seen as just extra fat to peel off and toss. But current science flips that thinking. The skin of chicken is one of the few foods rich in type 2 collagen, the main stuff that forms the cushioning cartilage in your joints. Lose type 2, and you lose the spring in your knees and hips. A major study published in Seminars in Arthritis and Rheumatism put this to the test. Participants with moderate arthritis who consumed type 2 collagen from chicken cartilage saw dramatic changes: a 33% improvement in joint movement, and a 40% drop in pain in just 3 months. Some quit pain meds altogether. Slow-cooked, skin-on chicken. Think comforting soups, stews, or even bone-in roasted thighs releases this type 2 collagen into the broth, where your body can easily absorb it. When you chill the broth, it sets into a jelly that's a sign of rich gelatin. Don't be afraid to use chicken feet in your broth for even higher collagen density. Many Asian cuisines have used this restorative trick for centuries. One more day. Today's story. My grandfather used to swear by his weekly pot of chicken soup with the skin left on. He could hike with his grandkids into his 80s, and he always credited the chicken soup for keeping his knees going long before collagen supplements were a thing. But what food might deliver an even faster absorbing type of collagen? Let's move to number 5, fish with skin. Now, if you think you're getting enough collagen just from meats, think again. Fish skin offers marine collagen, which research finds is much more bioavailable. Smaller peptides mean more gets absorbed in your gut and sent right where you need it most. A clinical study in the journal Marine Drugs posted jaw-dropping outcomes. After just 12 weeks of eating marine collagen from fish skin, participants not only reported a 35% reduction in joint pain, but also showed a 24% cut in swelling, with real improvement in skin elasticity as well. But there's another reason to love fish, especially salmon or sardines: omega-3 fatty acids. They're proven in multiple studies, including those published by the Cleveland Clinic, to lower inflammation and reduce the sticky blood clotting that can worsen swelling. Baking or grilling your fish with the skin on makes a huge difference. Deep-fried fish skin snacks, on the other hand, destroy delicate collagen, and can trigger more inflammation. Have you ever tasted real fish soup made with heads and bones left in? When it cools and sets into a soft jelly, you know you've unlocked a rich source of absorbable collagen. My aunt, originally from New Zealand, always says, "A week with fish head soup, and my knees feel 10 years younger." Now, the question, what if there's a food that isn't even new at all but could possibly double your collagen more than any other? Next up is number 4, and it's a classic, bone broth. Bone broth's popularity surged. For a reason, slowly simmered bones, marrow, and joints unlock gelatin and hydrolyzed collagen in a form your digestive system can quickly use. Science supports the hype. According to a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, daily bone broth pushed up blood collagen markers by up to 90% in just 6 weeks. But there's more. A study in the journal Nutrients showed that athletes consuming gelatin-rich bone broth, plus vitamin C before workouts, literally turned up their tendon repair switch, doubling collagen production in days. Bone broth also shines for leg swelling because it adds compounds like glucosamine and hyaluronic acid. These not only feed thirsty cartilage but help trap water inside the joint capsule, reducing friction and the kind of fluid leakage that makes your legs balloon by evening. Preparation tip: use a variety of bones, knuckles, marrow, and even chicken feet. Add vinegar, and let the pot simmer at least 12 hours. You'll know you did it right when your broth gels in the fridge. That's pure liquid gold. Enjoy it warm, or use it as the base for soups and sauces. Homemade is best. Most store-bought broths are too thin to carry the same punch. Ready for a wild card. The next powerful food is one people usually toss out, never knowing it's a true collagen jackpot. Number 3, pork skin. For some, pork skin is an occasional treat. For others, it's comfort food in stews or Asian dishes. But science shows pork skin contains a near-perfect mix of types 1 and 3, collagen, both crucial for ligaments, tendon strength, and skin elasticity. A clinical study from Japan on postmenopausal women showed daily collagen from pork skin cut their joint discomfort by nearly 27% and improved skin hydration and swelling. Forget crispy pork rinds. Deep frying ruins the benefits. What matters is long, slow cooking. Think pork skin, simmered in brothy stews with cabbage or peppers. Adding a punch of vitamin C is crucial here. Try a slow-cooked pork and vegetable stew with bell peppers. That extra vitamin C helps every bite of collagen build new, tough fibers to help your joints, keep swelling down, and even support better wound healing. Let me ask, did you ever imagine such a simple dish could repair your body this much? Now, for something a little different. What if I said the most critical collagen supporting food contains 0 collagen? Number 2, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits have absolutely no collagen themselves, but they deliver something even more powerful. Vitamin C, the spark plug for making new collagen out of all those proline and lysine-rich foods you've eaten. Centuries ago, sailors who ran out of citrus developed scurvy, swollen joints, collapsed blood vessels, bleeding gums. Why? Without vitamin C, the body simply couldn't knit new collagen fibers. No matter how much protein they ate, their organs literally fell apart. It was only after eating fresh citrus that their symptoms reversed. That's not just an old story. A huge study in the journal Nutrients found that when people combined vitamin C and collagen-rich foods, their bodies created triple the new collagen compared to eating collagen alone. For better circulation and less leaky blood vessels, and a leg that doesn't swell after each walk or flight, make whole citrus fruits a part of your daily routine. Eat oranges or grapefruits instead of just juicing them. You'll get more antioxidants and less of a blood sugar spike. Add lemon or lime juice over beans, into your fish, or right onto fresh salads. Just avoid cooking them. Vitamin C is heat sensitive. Mini tip. My patient Linda always brings an orange to her bridge club. Eating a few slices mid-game, she swears her legs feel lighter by dinner. So what is the ultimate collagen powerhouse? The food that can actually regrow? Cartilage. Something scientists once thought impossible. Number 1, beef tendons. This is as direct as you can get. Beef tendon is nearly pure type. One collagen, the very building blocks that make up ligaments, bones, and the ends of joints. It's tough and fibrous raw, but transformed by hours of slow cooking, it becomes a rich, jelly-like treat in stews, pho, or noodle soups. But it's not just tradition or taste. The science is groundbreaking. In a major NIH-backed study, people who supplemented with collagen from beef tendon enjoyed a 65% reduction in joint pain over 3 months. Even more amazing, MRI scans revealed that in some patients, cartilage actually thickened after a lifetime of thinning out. For years, doctors insisted cartilage loss was permanent. These results turn that thinking upside down. To unlock tendon's power, slow cooking is key. Whether you simmer tendon pieces for pho or make a comforting beef tendon stew with bok choy and peppers, the collagen seeps out into the broth. If it sets to a gelatin after cooling, you've done it right. Just serve with plenty of vitamin C-rich veggies to make sure your body can use every bit of it to repair and regrow. If you've been feeling more stiffness, heaviness, or have noticed puffy ankles lately, ask yourself, could just one tender bowl of tendon stew a week change the way your joints feel this season? So, now you have it. The 8 most effective, proven foods for restoring your body's supply of collagen. Just imagine if you started including more of these foods in your routine. Egg whites for breakfast, beans at lunch, chicken skin or fish skin a few times a week, pork or beef tendon stew on weekend evenings, and always some citrus at your side. How would you feel in a month? Would mornings get easier? Walks feel lighter? Stairs less intimidating? If you've ever watched your own legs swell by noon, or dreaded every movement because of stiff, aching joints, the answer is clear. You deserve relief. Your body can rebuild. The science shows these foods can help support that vital process naturally, without complicated supplements or untested powders. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 pounds. And check out our next video on reversing insulin resistance. It goes even deeper into restoring your body's vitality. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with stiffness and swelling, this channel is here for you. Which of these foods will you start with today? Let us know your story in the comments. See you in the next video.